Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be comparing Amazon Influencer Program versus the Affiliate Program. Both programs enable you to make money referring sales on Amazon, but they work quite differently in terms of audience, promotion methods, content, etc. So in this guide, we will do an in-depth feature-by-feature comparison of both programs so that you can make the best decision based on your own unique goals, assets, and all of that. So let's start with what is Amazon Affiliate Marketing. So Amazon Affiliate Program, or what is often referred to as Amazon Associates, allows website owners, bloggers, YouTubers, and other content creators to earn commissions by promoting and referring customers to products on Amazon. This works by giving you access to a unique affiliate ID code and shortened Amazon product URLs to use when linking to products on Amazon's site. And when someone clicks your affiliate link and completes an eligible purchase on Amazon within 24 hours, you will earn an advertising fee commission on that specific sale. Commission rates vary between 4 to 10% depending on the specific product category, and the affiliates promote Amazon products in few key ways, such as inserting text or image links in relevant YouTube video descriptions, linking to related products in blog posts and articles, and displaying affiliate ads or product recommendations on websites. So the Amazon Associates program is best suited for creators who already have platforms with reach, such as a YouTube channel or email lists and newsletters, maybe podcasts, active forums, and communities. It also works great if you have the affiliate review blogs and websites. On the other hand, what is Amazon Influencer Marketing? The Amazon Influencer Program takes a different approach to affiliate commissions by tapping into creators with large, engaged followings on major social media platforms. With this program, influencers on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or even TikTok and more can become Amazon affiliates. So the influencers promote curated Amazon products that they love through visually engaging, shoppable social media posts that lead back to their own custom storefronts on Amazon's site. So when their followers view a shoppable post and complete a purchase after clicking through to Amazon, the influencer themselves earn a commission between 4 to 10% on that sale as well. However, the approved influencers also have the opportunity to earn additional on-site commissions when Amazon decides to feature their social content directly on product listing pages. So for example, an influencer's YouTube review video for a vacuum might show up on the actual vacuum's detail page for shoppers to view, and this can significantly amplify the earnings. So the type of shoppable social content influencers create includes video reviews and demos of popular products, the shoppable images with tagged or linked products, swipeable gift guides maybe, or live streams showcasing notable products and deals. So this program is ideal for creators who already have very big engaged social followings on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and other visual platforms. So those are the core differences between the two programs at a high level. Now we're going to do a more detailed comparison of their features. For the application requirements, Amazon Associates, in order to qualify, you just need any website, blog, app, or social media account. Approval is generally very easy. For the Amazon Influencer, to qualify, you need at least 10,000 YouTube subscribers, 5,000 Facebook followers, or 5,000 Instagram followers with decent engagement. So the application process is a little bit more strict. As for the link promotion, you have the Amazon Associates. You can promote using text links, display ads, and discrete mentions. You cannot openly promote links on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Whereas the Amazon Influencer, you can create social posts directly showcasing and tagging products, so you can openly promote shoppable links on all social platforms. As for the commission rates, both programs provide the same exact e-commerce commission rates, and those vary based on the product category. So for that, check this page for the breakdown by category on the commission rates. So now we're going to talk about the ideal user profile and the pros and cons of each one of the programs. For Amazon Associates, the program works best for bloggers, YouTubers, website owners, and creators with owned media assets and platforms. Whereas the Amazon Influencer is optimized for Instagram influencers mostly, or TikTok creators, and Facebook video makers. Essentially creators with large social followings and high engagement. The pros and cons of the Amazon Associate is that there is an easy application process, you can promote anywhere affiliate links are allowed, and provides the recurring commission income. For the cons, you cannot openly promote branded links on social media, and you might have lower earning ceiling without the on-site commissions. For the Amazon Influencer Pros, you can make money from social media followings, access to on-site commissions, and more promotional flexibility. However, the cons include stricter application and account requirements, you need large social media presence, and it is more competitive. So hopefully this detailed feature-by-feature comparison helps provide more clarity about the key differences and similarities between the two programs. Clearly, both of them can be very lucrative but cater to different types of creators and content styles. And while both enable earning from Amazon, they work quite differently as we discussed in this video. So assess your own goals, audience, skills, and resources to determine which is the right path. I have to also mention that you can even apply for both simultaneously to unlock combined earning potential. Having diversified affiliate income streams is a great hedge. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions. We'll be happily answering them in the comments. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.